back to my channel. My name is Chelsea MUA, and today I'm going to be giving you my secrets to how I achieve this gorgeous, glowy, your skin but better makeup look that lasts all day. So keep watching. Okay, so hydration is key. After, starting off with a nice clean face, I did go in with some moisturizer. I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Tried and true, I love Clinique. I use quite a bit of their products actually, but I do really love that lotion just to have a nice clean prepped base. Now, to kind of reinforce that and to add some glow, these are like my top 3 primers, serums that I kind of use before applying makeup. Today I'm gonna go in with these. I'll start with the MAC Hyper Real Serum, and then I'm gonna go in with this Yummy Skin Glow Serum. I am obsessed with this stuff, so yeah, let's hop in. So once that's kind of had a couple seconds to set in, you can see my skin is super glowy. I am gonna go in with some concealer and a contour stick. This is Black Opal's contour stick in the shade Ebony Brown. I love this contour stick. And then I'm just gonna be using ColourPop's Pretty Fresh concealer and Morphe's concealer. This is in the shade Clove. It's a pretty good shade match, and then I like to use this ColourPop one just as a little bit of a brightener. I'm going to use this Morphe eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade Java. This is like a more natural look, so this is a really dark brown, but it's not like their darkest shade, so it's gonna be really cute. Before I do my brows, I want to go ahead and set under my eyes. I'm going to use this MAC Studio Finish Mineralizing Skin Finish in Deepest Dark. I absolutely love this stuff. I've probably purchased in my lifetime like 30 containers of this. It's just my fave. Like I love it. this is a dewy look, but I do want to set a little bit like right in this little triangle area, because I tend to get like really oily right in here, and I think it just gives my makeup overall a really nice look. Now this setting powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty powder in Nutmeg. It's, you know, pretty similar to like Laura Mercier's brown powder, so I really like it. Though I do think I am gonna go back to Laura Mercier's powder because I think it's a little bit finer of a powder. Which is what I want. Like that. I'll carry it right here because I do like this to be a little bit more matte. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but just in terms of having a look that lasts, I would do just a little bit of setting, and you can use a different brush or something, like a sponge pad or a beauty blender. I don't have one out right now, so I'm not going to use one, but just know that it is something that you can do. So moving on into some of the final steps, just to have a super well-rounded look, I would suggest some highlighter. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter. It's one of my favorites. I had it for a long time. Mine is shattered. So I'm gonna have to get a new one, but I have some other highlighters to try. No spoilers, so you know, I'm not worried about that, but yeah, this one is just one day, but today is not the day. This week ain't the week. This month's not the month. One of my favorite things is a nose highlight. I always do one right under my brow. Little brush that I did my nose with, and let's go back to my finger and just blend everything out. So pretty. Once it's fully blended out, like, it's just, it's stunning. It just adds to the glow. And then I'm also going to use some blush. I'm going to do Juvia's Places Volume 5 blush. They have a really gorgeous, like, hot pink, bright pink duo kind of thing going on, which is really cute. I'm gonna focus on this shade just to kind of rosy me up a little bit. Looking for the right brush. Here I'm going in super light because we all know how Juvia's Place gets down, and we need this to be but I can't wear makeup without blush. As the look is not complete without just a little something to show like, oh, you're alive, you're living. Okay, I'm just gonna tap my brush, just pick some product up. Stippling effect all the way down, just to really chisel us up. And then lastly, I'm just gonna remove this under eye set, and we'll move on to some lips and eyes and set. All right, so I'm gonna scooch in closer to you guys. I'm gonna do lashes. You guys can kind of see just by some pieces hanging out in the front, but I do have kind of like a curtain bang thing going on, so I'm not going to wear lashes or anything like that. I'm just gonna be using this MAC in Extreme Dimension mascara. Words, English. So I'm just going to apply this. All right, so I did one more layer of mascara. I think they look super cute, natural looking lashes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm gonna use this MAC Chestnut pencil, and whenever I want like a super natural lip look, I go in with these Huda Beauty lip blush, but they're kind of like lip stains, I guess. I use both of these shades because, as you can see, my top and bottom lip are two different colors, and then I do have like some discoloration on my bottom lip, so I like to use this shade at the bottom and then this shade at the top. But first I line my lips. Now I'm going to use this Morphe setting spray just to set this look. Okay, and this is the final look. Just glowy, dewy, you know, your skin but better makeup look. So let me know, what are you guys thinking? Will you try this? Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this video, want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the like button down below, subscribe, comment, all the things. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, at ChelseaMUA, and I look forward to giving you guys more.